Chapter 3. Word Processor Tabular Presentation. Objective: Table in Word. Creating a table. Entering data into a table. Selecting text in cell. Selecting a cell, row, column and table. Conversion of text to a table. Modifying a table. Changing row height. Changing column width. Splitting a cell. Merging of cells. Border and shading. Table alignment. Adding pictures in a table. Calculations in a table. Word processor is a processing software which is used to type, edit, format, save, and print a document. We have learnt about MS Word 2019 in the previous classes. In this chapter, we will learn about use of tables in Word. Word allows us to represent the data in tabular form. Tables are used to organize the data in a better way. You can create tables, edit, and format the data in the tables as well. Let us learn more about tables. Table in Word. A table is a combination of rows and columns which are used to store the data in an organized way. A table consists of cells, where a cell is an intersection of a row and column. A column runs vertically and a row runs horizontally in the table. You can store any type of data in the cells like text or graphics. Creating a table. A table can be created in various ways. A. Through table grid. Open a Word document. Click on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Go to Tables group and select Table drop-down arrow. From a table grid, you can hover the mouse pointer over the grid to select number of rows and columns in a table. As you move the mouse over the table grid, you will see the table preview on the document sheet. Click once and a table will be inserted in a document. B. Through Insert Table dialog box. Click on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Go to Tables group and click on the Table drop-down arrow. Select Insert Table option from the drop-down list. An Insert Table dialog box opens. Mention the number of columns and number of rows in the respective text boxes and click the OK button. A table will be inserted at the cursor position. You will also notice two new tabs in the ribbon used to format the table: Design tab and Layout tab. See through Draw Table. You can also draw a table and create it using the Draw Table option. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Tables group and click on the Table drop-down arrow. Select the Draw Table option from the drop-down list. Click and drag the mouse to draw the table. A column can be drawn by moving a pointer from top to bottom. A row can be drawn by moving a pointer from left to right. After creating a table, press Escape key in the keyboard. D. Through Quick Tables. Word provides you some pre-designed tables which are saved in Quick Tables gallery as building blocks. It is a quick method to create tables in a document. Put the cursor where a table is to be inserted. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Tables group and hover the mouse pointer over the Quick Tables option. It will show you the various templates from which you can select any template of your choice. Entering data into a table. Click in the cell where you want to type the text. A cursor appears in the cell. Type the text by pressing keys from the keyboard. To move to the next adjoining cell, press Tab key from the keyboard. To move to the previous cell, press Shift plus Tab key combination. To move to the cell below, use the down arrow key, and to move to the cell above, use the up arrow key. Selecting text in a cell. To select a word, double-click on it. To select a sentence, press and hold the Control key from the keyboard and click anywhere in the sentence. To select a paragraph, triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. To select the entire text, press Ctrl plus A. Selecting a cell, row, column and table. To select a cell, move the mouse pointer in a cell and triple-click on it. To select a row, move the mouse pointer to the beginning of the row and double-click on the left mouse button. To select a column, move the mouse pointer to the beginning of the column and double-click on the left mouse button. To select the whole table, move the mouse pointer to the table and you will see a handle to the top left corner of the table. Click on that handle and a table will be selected. Conversion of text to a table. You can convert the text into a tabular form by following the given steps. Type the text as shown in the figure and select the entire text. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Tables group and click on the Table drop-down arrow. From the drop-down list, select the Convert Text to Table option. A Convert Text to Table dialog box opens. Mention the number of rows and the number of columns. Click the OK button. Modifying a table. A table can be modified by inserting new rows and columns in it, removing the rows and columns, changing the table size or changing the cell size. Insert rows and columns in a table. Sometimes you want to add more data in an existing table. For this, you want to insert more rows or columns. Word allows you to insert a row above or below the selected cell or insert a column to the left or right of the selected cell. Let us see how we can do it. Click on the cell adjacent to which you want to insert a new row or column. Go to Table Tools and select the Layout tab. Go to Rows and Columns group. Select Insert Above or F Insert Below options to insert a row above or below respectively. Select Insert Left or Insert Right options to insert a column to the left side or F right side of the cell respectively. Removing rows and columns in a table. You can remove the unwanted rows or columns from the table by following any of the given methods. Method #1 to be made method #1. Click on the cell of the row or a column which you want to remove. Click on the Layout tab from Table Tools. Go to Rows and Columns group and select the drop-down arrow of the Delete option. You can select Delete Rows option if you want to remove a row or the Delete Columns option if you want to remove the column from the table. Tech tip. Right-click on the cell. Insert rows above, insert rows below and insert column to the left / insert column to the right. Method #22 to be made method #2. Right-click on the cell of a row or a column which you want to remove. From the pop-up list, select the Delete Cells option from the list. A Delete Cells dialog box opens. Click on Delete Entire Row or Delete Entire Column radio button to remove the row or column respectively. Tech tip. Press Alt plus Shift plus up arrow to move or shift the row up. Press Alt plus Shift plus down arrow to move or shift the row down. Changing a table size. You can change the size of the table by following any of the given steps. Method #1. Move the cursor to the lower right corner of a table. A pointer will change its shape to double-sided arrow. Click and drag the mouse and the size of the table changes accordingly. When you get the required table size, release the mouse button. Method #2. Click on any cell of the table. Click on Layout tab in Table Tools. Go to Cell Size Group and click on the drop-down arrow of the Auto Fit option. In the drop-down list, you will find 3 options. Click on any option according to your choice. Auto Fit Contents. The column width is adjusted according to the data entered in the cells. Auto Fit Window. The table is adjusted according to the window margins. Fixed Column Width. It will fix the column width and text is wrapped in the same cell. Tech tip. Hover the mouse over a border. When the double arrow pointer appears, click the border and hold down the Alt key. Microsoft Word shows specific measurement on the ruler. Formatting a table. Formatting improves the overall look of a table and makes it more attractive. Word provides some built-in table styles, which can change the table appearance. To format a table, 1. Click on any table cell. 2. Go to the Design tab in Table Tools in a ribbon. 3. Go to Table Styles, Group and you will see various built-in table styles. 4. Select the drop-down arrow to see more options. 5. You can select any option you like by clicking on it and it will be applied on the table. Tech tip. To convert table to text, go to Ribbon, Table Tools Layout. In the Data group, click Convert to Text. Changing row height. Right-click on the row whose height is to be modified. From the list, select Table Properties option. A Table Properties dialog box opens. Click on the Row tab. In Size section, mention the row height in Specify Height checkbox. Select any option in Row Height list. After making selection, click the OK button. Changing column width. Right-click on the row whose height is to be modified. From the list, select Table Properties option. A Table Properties dialog box opens. Click on the Column tab. In Size section, mention column width in Preferred Width checkbox and set the value in Measures in List. Click the OK button. Splitting a cell. A single cell can be divided into further parts by using a Split Cells option. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Select the cell you want to split. Select the Layout tab from Table Tools in the ribbon. Go to Merge Group and select the Split Cells option. Mention the values in number of columns and number of rows. Click on the OK button and the cell will split accordingly. Merging of cells. You can combine or merge multiple cells into a single cell by following the given steps. Select multiple cells you want to merge. Click on the Layout tab from the Table Tools in the ribbon. Go to Merge Group and select Merge Cells option. All the selected cells will be merged into a single cells. Border and shading. You can apply borders to the table and give it a shading effect. This will improve the table appearance and make it more eye-catching. Select the table. Click on the Design tab from the Table Tools in the ribbon. Go to Borders group and select the values from the drop-down list of line weight and line style. Click on the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the Borders group called Border dialog box launcher. A Borders and Shading dialog box opens. Select the border style from the Borders tab. Select the style of line from the Style option. You can set the color of the border from the Color drop-down list. Set the width of the border from the Width drop-down list. Click on Apply to Arrow and select the Table option. You can see the preview in the Preview section. After making all the settings, click on OK button. Tech tip: indentation is the spacing between the table and page margins. Table alignment: you can change the alignment of the table by placing it to left, right, or center of the page. There are 3 types of table alignments: left, right, or center. To set the alignment of the table, follow the given steps. Select the table. Click on the Layout tab from Table Tools in the ribbon. Go to the Table group and click on the Properties option. A Table dialog box opens. Select Table tab if not selected. From the Alignment section, select any option according to your requirements. Click the OK button. Adding pictures in the table. Images can be added in the table cells by following the given steps. Click in the cell where a picture is to be added. Click on the Insert tab. Go to the Illustrations group and select the Pictures option. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Browse and select the picture you want to add. Click on the Insert button and a picture will be added in the selected cell. Calculations in a table. Word allows you to perform calculations in a table like sum, average, count, min, max, etc. These operations are performed on the numeric data. Let us calculate the total price of all the products in the above table. 1. Insert a new row at the bottom of the table. 2. Type total price in the first cell. 3. Now click in the last cell of price column. Select Layout tab from Table Tools. 4. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Data option. A drop-down list opens. 5. Click on the Formula option. You will observe that some formula is already displayed. 8. Click on the OK button. 9. A total will be displayed in the selected cell. A quick review. Word is a word processing software which is used to type, edit, format, save and print the document. A table is a combination of rows and columns which are used to store the data in an organized way. A cell is an intersection of a row and a column. To select a paragraph, triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. You can convert the text into a tabular form. You can remove the unwanted rows or columns from the table. Word provides some built-in table styles which can change the table appearance. You can change the alignment of the table by placing it to left, right, or center of the page.